Coach, I hope you follow the Swahili language that we are using as a floor language here. So it is a signing ceremony today. You are signing with the president of TFF. After the signing, we are expecting to hear a few words from you and of course from the minister. Mwanasheria, ukikaa upande wa huku tutashukuru zaidi. Hapo. Inabidi ashuhudie. The signing is on both sides. Yeah. Coach, you remember that you said you will come to live in Tanzania. You stayed here a long time and we're expecting you to live here your lifetime. Asante. Badilishaneni afu mta display. Thank you. The exchange of documents. Thank you so much. Aya, onyesheni mkataba. Pandabele, can you display the document? Okay. Even from the cover. No problem. From the cover, no problem. Okay.